Hello, welcome to my channel and kitchen. Today I will make yogurt, curd cheese, and butter from milk in my kitchen. We boil the milk. Boiling milk is kept for 2 hours. The cream of the milk is collected with a spoon. Let's collect the milk cream in a bowl. Milk cream. Two glasses of cold water. Mix with a mixer until butter pieces form. Butter formed. Butter is collected in a bowl. Kneaded in cold water. Butter is ready. Put it in the fridge to cool. You can subscribe to my channel for free and like my videos. Stay with love. Goodbye.